Oh God, what we're gonna do this now? Yeah, Krystal Tomlinson and Moses Davis is, yeah. Okay, we are apart. We are not together anymore. It's not because of any bad vibes or any disrespect. It's just people just grew apart and yeah, life changed. That's it.
It has been confirmed by dancehall recording artist Moses Davis' stage name Beenie Man that himself and Krystal are no longer in a relationship. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 7 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the details of this to come on the program. If it's the first time you're watching, please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell and click on all so you're always in tune whenever time I post new videos. We'll be right back after this short break. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 7 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 7 TV, Celebrity to the Scoop. This is the place where you get the best in local and international news on celebrities. Well, coming up on the scoop for today, dancehall entertainer Moses Davis, stage name Beenie Man, has made it official that him and Krystal are no longer a couple. This announcement was made by a social media video that is making rounds on the internet, and this was then confirmed by Krystal with a follow-up post. Many fans have been speculating about the two having bad times in their relationship, and this became even clearer during the whole entire Christmas period when Beenie Man posted a number of videos and even photos without Krystal being a part of those. So it's very unclear at this point in time what really led to the breakup between the two. However, there have been many speculation and misconception going on as it relates to what led to the relationship going downhill, but nothing have been confirmed by both parties. So we're going to bring you up to date with the latest that we have to bring to you in relation to this and what the dancehall entertainer had to say about the whole entire breakup. And his words: Krystal is single and ready to mingle, and he is a free man, he stated in a video. So we're going to go over to our screen right now where we're going to bring you up to date with this right now, right here on Links 7 TV. We ask you, please remember just to like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell and click on all so you're always in tune whenever time I post new videos. So let's go over to what the dancehall entertainer had to say about the whole entire breakup.
Kurt, man, you know, bag of things. Man call FBI, I say man, you have a code to the White House because you have, what? You have 25 more days. No bad news in any place. Yeah, man. Alright, before we go up on that serious topic, we'll talk about this. People, oh God, what we're going to do this now? Yeah, Krystal Tomlinson and Moses Davis is, yeah, okay, we are apart. We are not together anymore. It's not because of any bad vibes or any disrespect. It's just people just grew apart and yeah, life changed. That's it. And yeah. So me, free single disengaged. She, free and single ready to engage. So bless him. Yeah, anyway. When the new president swearing, what am I gonna do?
So there you have it. That was confirmed by the dancehall entertainer himself, Moses Davis. So we're gonna bring you up to date with the latest that we have in relation to this. So Beenie Man and Krystal Tomlinson have called it quits. The couple announced their split minutes after a social media platform, Instagram, made the video made rounds on this, and this took place on January 18. So the dancehall entertainer Beenie Man, whose real name is Moses Davis, made the announcement first in a video posted on his Instagram page. In the video caption, moving forward, Beenie Man is seen engaging in a discussion with three men before he briefly stopped the conversation to update the fans about the relationship status. Krystal Tomlinson and Moses Davis are no longer a couple, the entertainer stated. It is not because of any bad vibes or any disrespect, Beenie Man explained. People just grow apart and that's life. That is it. the entertainer added. But it's not clear what really led to the breakup between the two, but Beenie Man has stated that he is single and disengaged, and Krystal is single and ready to be engaged. The entertainer then started back the conversation that he had previously started in the video casually as if nothing had transpired, but it's still unclear what really led to the breakup between the two, and there have been many speculation going on online as to what really led to this, but this has not been confirmed by either parties. Krystal Tomlinson then made a follow-up post to actually confirm what was stated by dancehall entertainer Beenie Man, and we are going to bring you up to date with what was said by her. 5 years unfolding. Part of growth is knowing when things have come to an end, knowing not to force it, knowing to let it be, living while there is love and not waiting until it's dry, empty and full of animosity, knowing to choose peace and trusting not all things work together for our good. I've remained silent for a while on the question not to keep a secret, but to get clear, certain, and uncentered. I am clear, I am certain, I am centered. This chapter on love, written with love, is closed. So that was what Krystal Tomlinson had to say about the whole entire breakup between herself and Beenie Man. The TV personality, then turned politician, was very introspective in the way that she delivered that message to her fans right across the world. But it's still unclear what really led to the breakup between the two, and it's still uncertain as to what caused this whole entire situation. But as stated, she remained silent on the matter for some time, and she's actually centered, and she's actually just seeking that level of assurance that she needs during this difficult time. As you know, Beenie Man has had his fine share of relationship problems in the past. Even at one point, he was actually married to a female within the business, and that was the Angel. And we saw how that spilled over onto social media, but many were anticipating that a wedding was actually in the making between the entertainer and Krystal Tomlinson. But it's very sad to see that the two have parted ways. However, it seems as if they're on mutual grounds, and it seems as if they're not carrying any bad feelings towards each other. As you know, they have a child together, so they will still have to have that bond and that relationship of being a mom and a dad to that child during this time. But it's still unclear what really led to this, and it's very sad to see that the two have parted their ways during this time. But the fans all over, they were speculating this from last year December, after the two were not seen in a number of appearances made by Beenie Man, and actually some appearance made by Krystal Tomlinson as well. Even when the whole entire thing went down with the dance that Beenie Man hosted in St. Elizabeth, it was very evident that Krystal wasn't by his side during his interrogation at the police station, and many people would have confirmed that the breakup was imminent to come based on these factors that went rounds on social media. But it's still unclear what really led to the actual fallout between the two, and there have been many speculations going on online as it relates to what. There have been cheating rumors, and there have just been so much other things that people are stating that might have led to the breakup. But we can't confirm any of those, and none of those have not been confirmed by the entertainer or the media personality, now turned politician, Krystal Tomlinson. And I don't believe as if any of them will actually come out and give us a proper statement in relation to what really led to the fallout. But many fans are just waiting and anticipating that one of them will actually spill the bean as to what caused this love and this sweet romantic relationship to end so soon. Well, we are going to leave this one here for now. Thanks for watching. This has been Links 007 TV, Celebrity to the Scoop. If this is the first time you're watching, please remember, like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell, and remember, click on all. This is Links 007 TV. Peace out, bless, and much love, much respect goes out to you, the viewers, wherever you are watching in the world. Thanks for joining. Much love, and we appreciate you so much. Peace out. Bless.